Hi everybody, it's Ali Jaswal from China's Xinhua News Agency. Right now we are in the National University of Modern Languages in Islamabad, and we are here to explore the situation after the reopening of universities. It's the first time the university has reopened after almost 6 months due to the spread of the COVID-19 in Islamabad and in Pakistan overall. All the universities in Pakistan were closed by the government. Now we'll be asking different questions from the students, their experiences and how they spent the vacations. How was your vacations? Did you enjoy the vacations, or what was the experience like?
Yes, it was good. We enjoyed a lot, but in the end, our studies was distracted from the path. So now we're trying to convince ourselves to study.
Are you feeling good back in the university?
Yeah, kind of.
When the government announced the reopening of the institutes, the government gave clear instructions to all the institutes and to all the educationists that the strict following of the SOPs is mandatory. The desk for guiding the orientation menu is here. It's the beginning of a new session.
The beginning of new session. To tell about the SOPs and to guide the students of the B.Ed and BS education. Then how they can follow the rules of university to come in the university and they have started their classes. Maybe the 2 students are coming on Monday and Tuesday, group 1, and the other student go through the online classes.
No, we are outside the Chinese language class, and it's the first class starting after almost 6 months. It's the first class and we are going to attend the class.
To follow SOPs, wear the mask, using the hand sanitizer. I feel comfortable here because I was very bored at home. Now I meet my friends. I'm very happy.
In this COVID-19 circumstances, we missed a lot of our academic activities, especially as we attend online classes. But there is a lot of difference between online classes and face-to-face class between teachers. As you know that we have a good teacher and student relationship in the class. We have good question and answering sessions with teachers.
Well, it's good to see that the life has come back to normal up to some extent, but still there's an element of risk still exists, and the government has announced a week time period to review the situation. We hope for the best. The ground is empty because there's a ban on the playing activities, so we can see no player inside the complex, in this whole sports complex, which is very weird. Although inside the campus, we have seen, especially inside the class, we have experienced how people are following the SOPs. They are wearing masks, they are keeping the social distance, the required social distance. However, over here in the cafeteria, the situation is not that good. Although the majority of the students are wearing masks while eating and while interacting with each other, they are not keeping the required social distance, which I think should be fixed. Although the situation in Pakistan is under control as far as the COVID-19 is concerned. Yet, as the autumn season is coming, most of the medical experts are of the view that the potential risk of the spread of COVID-19 is increasing, and the strict precautions needs to be taken in order to avoid this risk.